everybody. Where do I start? Okay, it's not the morning. It's actually 1:30 in the afternoon. So we can get that out of the way. Second of all, I am packing for New York. I've turned my living room into a closet. I am just trying to figure out what outfits I'm gonna be taking with me to New York. This is gonna be the bane of my existence because I'm having a really hard time deciding on outfits. It's gonna be cold. I bought a lot of winter stuff. I got a lot of new shoes that I gotta figure out which ones I'm gonna bring. I've been sick the past 3 days. I did a vlog on like one of the first days that I got sick and it ended up getting worse and worse and worse. So I have spent the past few days in bed watching Gossip Girl. I lost $13,000 last week and then made 21,000, not last night, but the night before. So I'm only $8,000 away from my goal of 200,000 in trading profits. Ugh, it's so exciting. So exciting. Man, I'm actually good at this shit. I'm actually really good at this. You know, maybe 200,000 is like pennies to some people, but that was just one source of income with less than like, I bet by the end of the year, it'll be less than 20 trades. $200,000 in trading profits in less than 20 trades in a year. What? Last year it took me 75 trades. I believe it was 75. It was like 75 or 78 just to make 100,000. And I was struggle bussing 2023. January, I took my trading account from 20 down to like 16, almost $15,000, and then had to get that back up. But man, a lot of exciting things. So I'm moving to New York. What am I? I can't believe it. I got my first pair of red bottoms. I got my first pair of red bottoms. Is that just not the craziest thing ever? I don't know. Maybe you guys care, maybe you don't. But these are for New York. I'll be stomping my ass around in these bad boys, but only on special occasions because I'm trying to keep those clean, you know what I'm saying? Keep them squeaky. But I like the like Western kind of look to these. I got some boots, got some YSL heels. I'm really trying to just embrace New York to my maximum potential. The outfit thing is kind of a big deal. So yeah, I'm just gonna start putting together some outfits. I'm still gonna have my place here in Nashville. I am simply just gonna go experience New York for fall and winter for the first time ever. I'm taking my sister with me for 2 weeks to help me get settled and kind of get me in the groove of things, the routine of things, help explore so that I can kind of do it on my own when she leaves. But I'm really excited that being in New York is going to like unlock some part of my brain to where I'm ready to grind 10 times harder. I'm ready to start something of my own that doesn't have my face on it. It's, you know, I want to invest in a business or a startup or something that has my input based on my 9 years of experience. I've got something to offer. So I don't know if it's going to be something of my own, but I'm just ready to start it. I've had some ideas and I haven't found the one yet. So I'm still working on it, but this is my, I don't know, my little TED Talk, what I'm feeling, what I'm going through right now. I'm gonna go get my tripod, set up the camera, and you guys can kind of see me pick some outfits. All right, guys, if we're being honest here, I forgot to record content the rest of the day. But all I did was continue to try on clothes and prep for New York because tomorrow is the big day. It's officially the day I am moving to New York City. Oh my God. Good morning. All right, we're vlogging today. It's travel day. We're moving to New York today. It's 5:30 right now. Car gets here at 7. All right, let's get up and going. Yeah, buddy.
You're giving New York, Auntie.
I am?
Yeah, right now.
I'll take it.
New York Auntie with the Uggs and the dog and the fanny.
All right, Duke, we're gonna have to put you in your kennel. All right, Duke. Do we have a toy we can give him? I'm gonna put this in here. There you go. All right.
Get it there, Dupe. Get it there, Dupe. Good boy.
Yes, your Auntie.
Good boys.
All right, let us do it.
See you in New York.
See you in New York. Thank you so much. Come here, my love. Come here, my love. Good, nice. All right, it's been fairly smooth so far.
I mean, like glass.
Duke has been great. Look at him. He's
phenomenal.
Just being so precious. But yeah, flying with Duke was easy. We just had to take him out of his kennel and walk him through the metal detector. The only issue that we're gonna come across is trying to get seats together. We're gonna have to ask someone in first class to trade seats, which is probably usually a big fat no, but we'll try. I'll get paid and sweet talk somebody.
I mean, look at me.
Look at her.
How could I say no?
How can you say no?
I forgot about the dog.
He's out like a light. You done, baby? Let's go. Hi, I'm Peyton. Good to meet you.
Okay, well that's good. Oh yeah. From Nashville.
Only 2 hours. Wow, it's so much more beautiful in person.
Wait to see the master, like the view is great.
Oh.
This is what I should say.
And I'm assuming that city bike is.
Like, she was like a little vampirist. She thought it was like too much. This is, and these are like 18-foot ceilings.
Doop, doop-a-loop. You're such a good boy, and I love you.
La Colombe.
Told you you'd be chilly.
You're right. Oh, I love it. Love the chili. Man, this is it. We've done it. We've made it.
We're here.
We're here.
How easy was that?
We're on a mission.
He's doing so good, though. Now we just need to cross the street and to the left.
Birthday in New York?
Yeah. He's not a veteran. He's a newbie. Come on, Becky. You're doing so good.
Doing so great.
Do you want me to go in there?
Yeah. Over here.
What do you want?
Actually, I'll take this pumpkin pie chai.
That's my boy.
He's scared of everything.
Not me. It's a good boy. Greatest coffee I've ever had in my life.
This? Both of
Yep.
them?
Okay, so let's walk to the park.
Correct.
Get him, Duke. Yes. Live your life.
Apple PM.
All right, let's go, Duke. You gotta get in your kennel.
You are.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna sit on the outside.
Oh, girlfriend.
My heart is telling me to put this.
Mine's telling me no, but my body.
5, 4, 3. Cross it.
Peyton, we're crossing in 1 second. All right, we made it back to the house.
We're back home.
We're back home. And it's officially our first night in New York. We are getting ready to watch a few episodes of Gossip Girl before we go to sleep. Perhaps just maybe one. Maybe just one episode.
Come here, my fuzzy wuzzy bear. That's right.
That's right, Baba.
That's right, made you. That's right, made you. Just made you.
All right, guys. Well, this was officially our first day ever in New York. So this is one of many. My favorite part of today was absolutely going to the square, going to Washington Square.
That was so fun.
Seeing all the people.
That was amazing.
Duke was just
An angel.
an angel, fascinated by everything.
That was my favorite too.
Oh my God, it was great. The food
Oh,
at
bro, yeah, our dinner.
our dinner was delicious.
Our dinner was insane.
Dinner was delicious. Wine was delicious.
So, tomorrow, all right, on tomorrow's agenda, we have this. Today was such a success.
Dude, truly.
Tomorrow, walk Equinox for a tour.
Okay, well, take a tour. Why not? Of course
Gym
we'll take a
workout.
tour.
Okay, fine. Have a smoothie, juice before you leave.
Oh my God.
Work in Cafe Lacombe. Love her.
shut
with
up.
my whole heart. Street going to.
What are we
She
going
has
to?
us going to Mexican tomorrow. Okay, this fucking Mexican place I've dreamt of their guacamole for years.
Oh, really?
I shit you not, they bring it in this goblin of a fucking container.
Goblet.
Goblet of a container. It's like a goblet of guac.
A goblet or a gauntlet?
We're gonna have to find out, so stay tuned
Stay tuned.
and subscribe for more. Yep,
All right, guys, thanks
that's
for
it.
hanging out. That's it. No trades today. Purely just a move-in day, getting used to New York, getting moved into New York. I'll look at the markets tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow will be a little bit more trading heavy, trading related. We've had some crazy political news come out. Crude oil made some massive movements, so we'll keep you guys updated. Right now, I'm just kind of on the sidelines, just watching the price. So no trades for me. I've got 8K left to go until I hit my 200K goal for the year, and maybe I hit it soon. All right, thanks guys for hanging out. Say bye, dupe.
XOXO.